This is a tutorial on using the state engine in Viewpoint. Viewpoint contains a powerful state space engine for experimental control. Here are the directions on using the Viewpoint state engine. Every state entry begins with the word state, such as state mode, state label, or state jump, for example. The user defines a series of states which contain items such as state mode, which is a unique numeric identifier for the state, a state label, which is a descriptive text to describe the state, a state entry command or state exit command, which is a deferred CLI command or commands in braces to load an image, calibrate, or to load a settings file, for example, as well as transition such as state timeout or state jump. There are two types of states: states that happen immediately, such as state space init or state engine on, and states that are deferred, such as state timeout or F key commands, where the command is performed when the assigned F key is pressed. In order to run the state engine, the state space must be initialized before using or reusing it. The command state space init clears information for all states, sets all values to 0, etc. Each state must be given a unique numerical identifier using state mode. State mode 1, state mode 2, state mode 3, etc. Transition commands can include an action that triggers a jump to another state, such as state timeout with double float seconds, followed by an integer next state. After the specified time has elapsed, then the state engine will jump to the declared next state. State key press with a printable ASCII character followed by integer next state. If the user presses the keypad key for a specified character, the state engine will jump to the declared next state. These are case sensitive and state dependent. In other words, they will only work when the engine is in a particular state. State jump with the integer next state forces jump to the specified state. Here is an example of a state engine script. Let's break down the script. Number 1 assigns an F key command that toggles the state engine to pause or unpause each time the F10 key is pressed. Number 2 initializes the state engine. Numbers 3 through 18 assign a state mode number, a state label that gives details regarding the state, a state entry and exit command, what to do when entering and exiting the state, and a state timeout, where the first set of numbers are the amount of time in seconds until moving to the next state. The second set of numbers is the next state jump to, when the set time has expired. Breaking this down, each of these states 1 through 16 in this example present a picture for the state amount of time and then move to the state called out in the state timeout. Explains what to do when entering and exiting the state. Numbers 19 through 21 assign a state mode number, a state label, gives a state entry and exit command, and a state key press where the first character is the assigned key, the letter T in this example. The next set of numbers is the state mode to jump to when the key is pressed. Notice that the state mode 19, the state key pressed, has the state mode 1 as the state mode to jump to, which will start the picture display from the beginning. Number 22 turns the state engine on, then jumps to the first state mode using State Jump 1, displays the keyboard in the viewpoint using Set Window Keypad uses, say press the T key to change between two states, and say no, the keypad must have focus to use the keyboard keys to display the messages. Number 23 is End. You can find sample state engine scripts located in the Settings, Example, State Logic folder. To load and run a state engine script, select Settings from the File drop-down menu at the top left of Viewpoint, then select Load Settings and navigate to where the desired state engine script was stored, and double-click on the script to start it running in Viewpoint.